Richa from How to SketchUp. I'm going to explain to you in this video how to duplicate an object. It's pretty simple. Like any other software, you can of course go to Edit, Copy, and Paste any object once it's selected. But in this case, when you have a 3D object, it's better to use this method. You select the object, then you go to the Move tool. You see the Move tool is just a square like that, but if I press the option, a sort of plus comes with it. If I go there and move the Move tool, then another object should appear. If I want to duplicate the object at a certain distance, I click on the object, Move tool, option, and then boom. Here you see the distance is 1.88 centimeters. If I press 2 and enter, it should move the object. If you want to move the object multiple times at the same distance, you just have to do that. You go on the Move tool, you press plus with option up, you put it at a distance of 2 for example, and then you go x3. This will duplicate the object at a distance of 2, 3 times. You can do the reverse as well. Let's say for example you want to do pretty much the same thing, but divide the number of objects between the distance. So for example, I press option, I go here, and then go /3 and enter. Now you know how to duplicate an object.